Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome. Today is another Joy of Blue collaboration project share. Joy of Blue is a collaboration hosted by Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and it is just to encourage us to craft with and enjoy the color blue. So this month my theme was kind of like blue and gray, and I did some decorative blocks again this month. I'm still in craft show mode, and actually I made one set for myself as well. But I made a set. They are reversible holiday blocks. So this side says Hello Winter, and it's got like this blue and white ticking fabric patterned paper for these three letters, and then the EL are like a gray plaid. And then it's kind of hard to tell, but there is kind of a black and gray herringbone pattern on this paper here with the winter black. So this side says Hello Winter, and pardon me while I flip these. And the other side says Merry Christmas. So they're just kind of very farmhouse, country-ish, rustic style patterns, and like almost shirt patterns is what they remind me of, like flannel shirt patterns that my dad would have had. So just kind of a cozy vibe for Christmas and winter, and that way, you know, I can put it out at Christmas time, and then once Christmas is over, I also decorate for winter just because it's so dreary. So I will be able to use that. So that is actually a set for me. The next set I made is a custom order that we had. So it is for a blended family. So one side says Happy Hanukkah, and it's got like the blues and the grays again. And then the other side says Merry Christmas. So it's for a, you know, blended Christian Jewish family, so they can have it out for Merry Christmas for part of the month, and then during Hanukkah they can turn it over to the other side. So that is another set I made kind of with blue as the feature color. And then the last one I made is just a single block, and it is a countdown to Christmas block, and it's got this blue paper, like blue stripe background, and just some like Christmas icons, Santas and reindeer and trees and sleighs, and then it says Merry Christmas throughout. And so I added a piece of chalkboard vinyl where you can write the number of days left until Christmas, and then just use some black Oracal vinyl, some permanent vinyl for the days until Christmas. And if you've watched my videos before where I've made the blocks or just other products where I use Mod Podge and paper, this time I put everything on except for this rectangular chalkboard piece of vinyl. I put everything on, Mod Podged it, and sealed it with our polyacrylic, and then I came in and put the chalkboard vinyl on, and I also treated it with some like regular chalk and wiped it off so that it will be like erasable, just like you would do with a chalkboard sign if you wanted to be able to reuse it. It just erases better if you kind of treat it with some chalk. So just a cute little countdown Christmas side. And this one is going, like, this was craft show inventory, and then we had a custom order, and then one for me with the, I love these patterns. I love the ticking stripe patterns and plaid. So I'm excited to have this set for me. So sorry for the banging of the blocks during this video, but hope you enjoyed my projects. Please be sure to check out the links in the description box below of the other participants who have crafted with blue this month to see what kind of fun projects that they have made. But I thank you guys so very much for your time today, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.